Welcome to the Political Classroom. In today's episode, we dive into the thought-provoking ideas of Niccolo Machiavelli, a renowned political thinker and philosopher of the Renaissance era. Machiavelli's works continue to influence our understanding of power, leadership, and the complexities of politics. Niccolo Machiavelli was born in 1469 in Florence, Italy, during the Renaissance period. He led a fascinating life as a diplomat, politician, and writer. Machiavelli served in various governmental positions in the Florentine Republic, giving him first-hand experience in the complexities of politics and governance. One of Machiavelli's most famous works is The Prince. But before we delve into his ideas, it's crucial to understand the historical and intellectual influences that shaped his thinking. Machiavelli lived in a time of political turbulence and power struggles in Florence, which greatly influenced his observations and reflections on politics. Machiavelli was also deeply influenced by the works of ancient political philosophers such as Plato and Aristotle. However, Machiavelli's approach differed significantly from the idealistic visions of these classical philosophers. The Renaissance was a time of intellectual awakening, and Machiavelli drew inspiration from the political thinkers and statesmen of his era. So, as we embark on our exploration of Machiavelli's political thoughts, keep in mind his background as a diplomat and his exposure to the tumultuous political landscape of Florence. The Prince is a political treatise written by Machiavelli in the early 16th century. It stands out for its pragmatic and realistic approach to politics. Machiavelli focuses on the acquisition and maintenance of political power, presenting a stark contrast to the idealistic theories of his time. He believed that political power is the ultimate goal of any ruler and that it should be acquired and preserved through whatever means necessary. Machiavelli famously stated, "It is better to be feared than loved if you cannot be both." He argued that rulers should prioritize the interests of the state and be willing to use any means, including deceit and manipulation, to maintain control. According to Machiavelli, the end justifies the means in politics. Machiavelli challenged traditional notions of morality in politics. He believed that rulers should be pragmatic rather than moralistic, as moral principles might hinder effective governance. However, Machiavelli did emphasize the importance of maintaining the appearance of virtue to win the support of the people. In The Prince, Machiavelli examines the delicate balance between the ruler and the ruled. He argued that a ruler should strike a balance between fear and love from the people. While being feared can ensure obedience, being loved fosters loyalty and support. Machiavelli's The Prince presents a controversial and thought-provoking perspective on politics. It challenges conventional notions of morality and advocates for a pragmatic approach to power. According to Machiavelli, the primary objective of a ruler should be the success and stability of the state, even if it means deviating from conventional moral principles. His argument that the ends justify the means raises important questions about the limits of morality in the pursuit of political goals. It forces us to confront the ethical dilemmas faced by leaders in balancing the greater good with individual moral standards. While Machiavelli's ideas on morality and ethics may seem harsh and unconventional, they have enduring relevance in contemporary politics. The tension between the pursuit of power and adherence to ethical principles remains a central dilemma for leaders and policymakers today. They remind us that political leaders must often grapple with difficult choices that require navigating moral ambiguities. The Discourses on Livy is a monumental work by Machiavelli, written as a commentary on the historical account of Livy. In this work, Machiavelli explores the merits of republicanism and provides valuable insights into the functioning of political institutions. Machiavelli believed that a well-functioning republic is vital for a stable political order. He argued that a republic, as opposed to a monarchy or tyranny, allows for the participation of citizens and the distribution of power among multiple institutions. Machiavelli saw republics as better suited to prevent the concentration of power in the hands of a single ruler. According to Machiavelli, citizen participation is crucial for the success of a republic. He emphasized the importance of citizens engaging in public affairs, as it cultivates civic virtue and strengthens the state. Machiavelli believed that an active and virtuous citizenry contributes to the stability and prosperity of the republic. Machiavelli recognized the significance of well-organized political institutions in maintaining a stable republic. He argued that robust institutions, such as legislative bodies and checks and balances, can prevent the abuse of power and ensure a more balanced and accountable governance. The Discourses on Livy presents Machiavelli's insightful ideas on republicanism, citizen participation, and the role of institutions. It serves as a valuable resource for understanding the dynamics of political systems and the importance of organized governance in maintaining a stable state. Many notable thinkers drew inspiration from his works and incorporated his insights into their own theories. Machiavelli's emphasis on the realistic understanding of political power challenged prevailing notions of idealism and moralism. His ideas influenced subsequent thinkers such as Thomas Hobbes, who developed the concept of the social contract, and even modern political realists who focus on power dynamics in international relations. Machiavelli's theories had a significant impact on political practice as well. His emphasis on effective leadership, strategic decision-making, and the pursuit of power has shaped the behavior of rulers and states. Despite his enduring influence, Machiavelli's theories are not without controversy. The question of whether the ends truly justify the means, and the role of morality in politics, remains a subject of ongoing debate. Scholars and policymakers continue to grapple with the applicability and ethical implications of Machiavelli's ideas in modern governance. As we engage in these ongoing debates, we are reminded of the complexity and nuance of political decision-making. Machiavelli's works, such as The Prince and the Discourses on Livy, have challenged conventional notions of politics and morality. His emphasis on realism, pragmatism, and the pursuit of power has left a lasting impact on political theory and practice. Machiavelli's theories on leadership, republicanism, and the role of institutions have shaped our understanding of governance. Scholars and policymakers still engage with his ideas as they grapple with the challenges of governing in the modern world. As we conclude our discussion, I encourage you to engage with Machiavelli's ideas critically. Thank you for joining us today on the Political Classroom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening discussions.